Hello everyone, and welcome to this SAP training series. And in this video series, we are going to explore SAP from both a theoretical and practical point of view. This first session is all about understanding what SAP is and its different modules, and we will focus more on the SAP MM. Actually, MM full form of MM is material management. So, MM module, which is one of the most used and in demand modules today. Okay. So, and yes, I will be covering the practical hand-on part two, where I will take you inside the SAP system step by step. So first, we start what is SAP? What is SAP? So SAP stands for System Application and Products in Data Processing. It is a powerful ERP software that's company used to manage their business process. In case of business process, like accounting, sales, purchasing, HR, and more. So these all these process in one integrated system. With SAP, different departments can share data and work together smoothly, which helps in making faster and better business decisions. So here the key features of SAP are like ERP software and modules. So first, so I am going to tell you why do company use SAP. So first, we need to know about the why do company uses SAP. So in most companies, we see different departments work with different tools, which can cause confusion and data errors. So SAP connects all departments into one system. So everything is integrated, whether it's finance, inventory, sales, or purchasing. This improves efficiency, accuracy, and saves a lots of time. So this is the overview of SAP core modules. SAP has many modules, each designed for a specific business functions. Here are a few important ones are like FI financial accounting, CO controlling, MM for materials management, ST sales and distribution, SCM human capital management, and PP production planning. And we all these things we are in practically we use the S4 HANA. So SAP S4 HANA, this is SAP latest version of its ERP suite running on the high performance HANA database. It offers improved data analytics, faster processing, and a user friendly interface. So practical things we are using S4 HANA server. So in SAP, first we are going to brief overview of MM because we are going to first we will start first module, that's its MM material management. So in SAP MM, full form of MM is materials management, is the modules that handles everything related to procurement and inventory. That means buying raw materials, managing suppliers, checking stock, receiving goods, and much more. It's a core module in SAP because every business needs materials and products to operate.